chyath novuy, novuy, zalamay dyūṭhum, novuy-novuy, yana lalime tanman novuy, tana navam chhas. Lala says chyath novuy, which means the mind is new, so is the moon. Here, Lala tells us just like the moon constantly renews itself through its phases, our mind also has the capability to become fresh, pure, and changed if we so desire for it. And then she says, zalamay dyūṭhum novuy-novuy, the vast expanse of water that I have seen is ever new. Here, Lala is telling us water is a symbol of purity, flow, and consciousness. Even though water looks the same, it is always moving and changing. And Lala is saying that once your inner eyes open, you begin to see everything in life as dynamic, alive, and constantly renewing. And finally, she says, Yanapethe lalime tanman novuy tan lalab navam chhas. Since the day I, Lala, cleansed my body and mind, I am ever new and new. Here, the cleansing refers not just to physical cleansing, but also spiritual purification. She mentions after removing ego, attachments, illusion, and negativity, one is able to live in a state of continuous awakening. Every moment feels fresh, where one's identity, awareness, and connection to the divine are reborn again and again.